Good morning children, how are you doing? I am your maths teacher Rajlakshmi Desai. Today we are going to solve the problems from HOTS and enrichment question. To begin with, under HOTS, first question is, with the help of figures, find the maximum number of points of intersection of 4 lines and 5 lines in a plane. Here children, I have drawn 4 lines in such a way that the first line is, suppose it is line L, and the second line I have to draw such a way that this second line M has to intersect at B. Third line I have taken here, that is line N, and when I draw the third line, I have to keep in mind that the third line has to intersect the line L, first line, as well as line M, the second line. Then I draw line O. So this line, when you draw the line O, you have to keep in mind that the fourth line has to intersect the first line, second line and the third line. So in this way I have drawn 4 lines. After drawing 4 lines, I am going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the maximum number of points is equal to 6. In this way, I have also drawn 5 lines. And after drawing 5 lines, I get the maximum number of points of intersection after drawing 5 lines is equal to 10. Children, next let us move to the second question. Here, look at the figure and answer the question. We are given the line and the points are A, B, C, D, E and F. There are 6 points on this line. The question is, how many line segments are there in all? So children, you have to count and tell how many line segments are there in this line. As you know, line segment means it is a part of a line. So children, you have to think that there are 6 friends on this line. Okay, all the friends' name are A, B, C, D, E and F. Suppose friend A is going to B and shaking his hand with B. So the first line segment will be AB, and again the friend A will go and meet with the friend C and shake his hand. So we have to consider AC, then AD, AE, and this friend A will go to the friend F and shake his hand. So this becomes the line segment AF. In the same way, we have to consider with the B. So BA, if you take BA, children, as I already told you, line segments means it has got 2 end points. If this is 2 centimeter from A to B, from B to A is also 2 centimeter. So we say that AB is equal to BA, right? So if I want to write BA, BA is already written as AB. So don't consider BA, directly go to BC, BD, BE, BF. Then again with the C. You know, don't need to write CA and CB because already it is mentioned. So we will go with CD, CE, CF. Then D, DE, DF. Then with the EF. So totally there are 15 line segments in this given line. Then you have question number B. Name all line segments whose one end point is E. Children, again you have to consider point E and we have to come alphabetically. You have to write it, let us write it in alphabetical order. So first line segment will be EA, then EB, EC, ED and the last one is EF. Again, here it is, one end point has to be C. If you are going to write one line segment, So one of the point must be C here. So you have to consider point C and you have to mention the line segments as CA, CB, CD, CE and CF. Children, now it is time to solve enrichment questions. Question is, look at the figure and answer the question. Question number A, how many pairs of parallel lines are there? So this is the figure, children. You have to find out how many lines or parallel lines are there. Okay. So the parallel lines are those which do not meet anywhere in a plane. First line pair is line IG and line AE. Here line IG is parallel to line AE. So these two are parallel lines. So totally there are 4 parallel lines in this figure. Question number B. Name one set of 4 concurrent lines. Children, concurrent lines are those 3 or more lines in a plane where they meet at one point are said to be concurrent lines. So here I have taken one set of concurrent 4 concurrent lines are AE, HC, ID and GB. Here is first line AE, HC, ID and GB. So here it is GB. So there are 4 which are concurrent lines. Question number C. Name the lines whose point of intersection is A. Children, here is the point A and you have to write 2 lines which are intersecting at A. So I have taken AB and AF. And second one is point of intersection is H. So here these are the 2 lines HF and GI. GI and HF are intersecting at point H. Question number D. Name the point of intersection of lines ED and AE. Children, here it is ED and AE. AE is here. So where are the 2 lines meeting? They are meeting at point E. Then you have IG and BG. IG and BG are meeting at a point G. So the answer is G. The last question is, name 2 sets of 3 collinear points. Children, collinear points are those 3 or more points which lie on the same line are said to be collinear points. See here, I have considered 3 points I, H and G. So here are the points I, H and G and which are lying on the same line. So this is one set and one more set is A, F, E. This is the line where 3 points are collinear, that are A, F and E. So children, till now we have discussed the problems from HOTS and enrichment question. Hope you have understood well. Thank you, children.